South Tower, South 397, right base for the 35 left, 8 miles.
South 397 off the tower, runway 35 left, continue. Traffic will be holding a position.
Continue for 35 left, South 397.
Citation 579er Bravo Juliet, Austin Tower, runway 35 left, line of weight. Traffic 6 mile right base, Boeing 737. Station 9 Bravo Juliet, fly runway heading, runway 35 left with takeoff. South 397, runway 35 left, clear to land.
Clearance, 3 left, South 397.
And American 2316, just let me know when you taxi. You should be behind the Learjet you'll see on Charlie. Once you see them.
Okay, you're saying taxi or discretion, follow Lear to 35 left?
Affirmative. They'll be over to Charlie here in about, I don't know, 2.5 minutes.
Okay, good copy. We'll probably hold off start for just a couple minutes still.
That's 397, go around, fly runway heading, maintain 3000.
Alright, go around, fly runway heading, maintain 3000, Southwest 397.
So sign 80, correction, 9 Bravo Juliet, need any assistance as far as any fires or anything that you know of? Right.
Ops 204, Oscar.
204,
Hey, I don't know if you just heard that on local. Aircraft just blew a tire on 35 left. He's about a quarter field.
And we're 9 Bravo Juliet, Roger, we got airport ops heading out to you right now.
Screamer 25, Roger. I did have an aircraft just blow a tire on the runway. Stand by. Just go ahead and continue taxi now. Hold short of Tango.
Austin Tower, Southwest 1102, visual 35 left.
South 1102, Austin Tower. Fortunately, aircraft just blew a tire, so cancel your approach clearance. Climb maintain 3000 and flighting 350.
Cancel approach, climb maintain 3000, heading 350, Southwest 1102.
South 397, contact approach on 127.22.
Alright, 2722, Southwest.
And Ops 204, when you have a chance, let me know. Are we allowed to do an intersection departure with the aircraft like that on the runway all the way down there?
That far down, I don't see a problem with that, sir.
Screamer 25, if you can take it, we can do a Tango departure. From Tango, it's 7,200. Screamer 25, Roger, taxi up to hold short, 35 left at Tango.
Citation 9 Roger, anything I can do for you while airport office is heading out there?
No, we're good right now.
Roger.
Second for Alaska 1087. Are you guys taking Tango departures? Is that what I'm hearing now?
Alaska 1087, that aircraft is a medevac. I'll get back to you and let you know. Just hold your position there.
Okay, we'll hold that, thanks.
Station 9 Bravo, just a heads up, we will be departing aircraft northbound off the runway, and the airport ops vehicle is just right there heading to your right, heading out to you now.
American 2316, Tango intersection is 7,200. If you can take it, if not, we'll just hold you and push you for your time back.
Okay, 35 right is still closed down here, is that correct?
Affirmative, 35 right, completely closed.
Alright, let's see if we can get some numbers for Tango.
Not a problem, let me know.
Okay.
Alaska 1087, same thing for you. Tango is 7,200.
Yeah, I don't think we have the numbers for that, Alaska 1087.
Not a problem, just hold there, and if I need to move you, I'll let you know.
Yeah, we're working with our dispatch. We'll just sit here. Thanks, Alaska 1087. And same for American 2316. We'll sit here till we know something better.
American 2316, Roger.
The next Streamer 25 off there, I'm sure you heard it's the disabled aircraft off your left side, there'll be no factor. Fly heading 350. You know what, runway 35 left at Tango, line of way, you got another medevac helicopter passing downfield right now.
And Ops 204, if you're still monitoring ground, if you have an estimate for time, just let me know so we can let the center know.
Ground, Alaska 1087.
1087 ground.
Yeah, what is the exact length for takeoff from intersection Tango on 35 left?
7,211 feet.
Thanks. Yeah, did they have a crew out there to pull the aircraft off the runway yet? Just curious.
Right now, they just have the ops vehicle. They don't have the tow over yet.
Okay, and was he landing or taking off?
Mid takeoff.
Roger.
American 2316, I went ahead and got your time moved up, so you're good for a little while. You got till 41.
Okay, we're still checking if we'll be legal for the intersection, but my guess is we'll have to wait till the runway's clear.
Not a problem. Touchdown aircraft for departure, it looks like we're looking at about an hour, maybe more.